second year MBA Finance. I wrote the case study on Bandhan, the new bank that is coming up. It is actually a microfinance institution, and now it has actually it had applied for a bank license, and right now in April RBI declared the two licenses, IDFC and Bandhan got the license. So I wrote the case study on how Bandhan will be able to transform from a microfinance institution into a bank and what kind of challenges it is going to face.
Tell about the competition you were there by Prayas.
Yeah, Prayas, actually the competition was initiated by Prayas, and the first competition was actually, it's like we got the case study, we got the resource, we got all the material that we had to form into a case study. Even in that competition we had to write an entire case study. Around 12 of us were selected to write the case study, and that was organized by Prayas, so thank you Prayas.
What were the challenges you faced in the competition?
In the competition, the challenge was writing the case study most importantly, because everybody knows in IBS we do not get time. Managing academics and the club, and my club is Ekavil, so handling my club and academics and a case study and placements in the third semester, it was like pretty tough. But okay, ho gaya. And masti, obviously.
Okay. So, what do you look forward to in the next stage of competition?
The next round is actually more tough, because now what we have to do is first we have to refine the case study, and then next is we have to present it. Now there are 6 finalists and from all over the world, so people are coming with lot of preparation, and generally it has been seen that from India the written form of case study is better, but however students from India fail in presentation. Generally it has been seen. So presentation would be a big challenge.
What is your message for the viewers about participating in competition like this?
I think everybody should definitely try it, because I know firstly you will hone your writing skills. It is very important. Language communication in today's world, especially English, is very important. You cannot just do without it. So that is very important first of all. Secondly, you learn to manage time. That is, firstly, time management is the most important part of being a good manager. So time management, writing skills, then research work. Actually, to write a case study, you have to do a lot of research. So depending on that, putting in time for that, knowing how to research and from where to get the material, that is very important. Okay, so that is very important. Then I had a very good guide, Mr. Satish sir, D. Satish. So he was a very good mentor. Working with him, it was very inspiring. So there are a lot of things that you learn throughout the way, and obviously it just feels very good.
Thank you so much and all the best.
Thank you.